Morning and happy Tuesday. It is August something, and it is early hours of the morning. Get up early so I can turn my brain on. I cannot tumble out of bed and immediately have to cope with my day. Phone calls or errands or anything. I take a long time to gear up for stuff. This morning, I am reading in Matthew in my Bible study. And a lot of times, depending upon what the chapter is, what the subject matter is, I can take it a chapter at a time. But I am in Matthew 5, and that is Jesus' Sermon on the Mount with the Beatitudes and all the other small snippets that he takes about everyday life, where people in the Pharisees and in Judea have made little shortcuts and little adjustments to the law. And this morning I am reading about Jesus's view, Jesus's words on divorce and on adultery. And you look at it and you see where they've made adjustments where you could divorce a woman just for being tired of her, And I think to myself, that times have not changed. People have not changed. I think that's a fallacy where people think that we have evolved from 2,000 years ago to today, when really our knowledge has changed, our knowledge has increased, and therefore we have electricity and cars and computers and stuff, YouTube. That has changed, but who we are and how we are as people has not changed over time. And so I think of the situation that women are in nowadays. The lies that we have bought from society, the value we put on ourselves, and the value we put on our relationships, and the value we put on other people. And this morning I'm rethinking, hoping to rethink some things and to dig deeper into lies that I have bought into. Anyway, I just want to encourage you to dive into your Bible. Love Christ.